Hey guys, it's Elise with Antelope Beads. We wanted to jump on here really quick because we have a lot of questions in regards to the Regaliz safety clasp. It's one of our most popular clasps, and you guys are always asking about how to properly open it. And there's a lot of different ways people try to open it and it doesn't work, or you bend the safety on the inside. This is the clasp that I'm talking about. It looks like this. It's a little harder to open when you don't have leather into it, but there is a proper way of opening this clasp up. And I feel like some of the customers that are purchasing it and emailing us are struggling with that. So I have a Regaliz bracelet on right now. The way that you take this bracelet off is whatever side is the closest to you, which has the male end, that's the side that you push, and then you're gonna take your finger and pop it up. That's how you undo this clasp. A lot of people try to pull it off like this, and that's where your customers are struggling. In the process of pulling, you're loosening the glue that you've already set, and you're bending this little piece in here. So just for the record, you push down and push up, and it pops right off. I'll try to do that one more time so you guys can see. So the male end, you're gonna push, and with your other thumb, you're gonna push towards the clasp, almost like a pinching motion, but this finger is going down on the leather. So it's just like this. So it comes off super, super easy. There's no tug, but now do you guys understand why when you're pulling the bracelets, it's popping your leather, and then you're having to use actual equipment to pull it off. So here I have some examples of the finishes that it comes in. This is the night black, the antique silver, brass, and copper. And then these are a few of the examples. This is one of the popular clasps that we use for all of our demos. I hope this, guys, was helpful for you. I know that a lot of you guys have struggled with this. So if you guys have any questions, comment below so I can see what other videos we can do. Hope you guys have a great day.